Hi, it's Mike Leahy. I'm at the Swansea Model Railway Society. It's a beautiful day and some of these steam trains you'll see here are absolutely beautiful and have been made by the members. So let's go and see the trains. Let's go and talk to them and see what it's all about in this secret world of model railways.
I joined this club 45 years ago. This club has been here mine 75 years, so it's been a pretty ancient place. And way back in the 30s, 1936, 37, somebody started, and I've been here ever since. You pick up points, of course, from other people that you'd never thought of. And myself, I'm not a trained engineer, so I've only picked up things as I go along. You can see these things are quite heavy and it takes effort, and as you get a bit older your effort fails a bit, but we've worked it out here. Actually, we don't have to do much lifting work. We kind of put everything at sort of waist height, so that, we're not doing the bending that we might have had to do. Other than that, it's all a matter of progression. We progress gradually. Repair work, maintenance work, which is a lot on a site like this. It tends to be about a dozen to 20 people, workers, and that keeps the place taking over, basically.
This is Mike Leahy for Bay TV at the Swansea Model Railway Society.